everybody. How's everybody doing? I hope and pray that everybody is weathering Helen outside. I am sitting here at home and I have no electricity, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I thank God. I think the most of the storm has passed. Still outside, we're still getting some wind gusts here and there. It was really bad earlier this morning. Babe, I was on this sofa praying, Lord, let that wind calm the wind, Lord, calm the wind. But I'm thankful. Um, I did step outside briefly and to just take a look. Um, and the garden is pretty much okay. The only thing really that I saw, the my okra plant, it's kind of leaning because it had gotten really tall out there, and so it's on lean mode, honey. It's on lean out there in the garden. So hopefully I'll be able to do something with it. I'm not gonna go out there until after it's really clear. Um, it's still very overcast, and like I said, the wind is still gusting um, outside. So, but I'm thankful that everything is as good as it is. My heart and prayers go out to you guys who bore the brunt of the storm coming on shore down in Florida, on the coastline, and who has sustained, just a lot of damages. Pray that you guys can get back to some sense of normalcy, and things are, you get the help you need, and get things taken care of, and um, kind of back to a sense of normalcy. But I'm sitting here, ended up this morning, I got up and got ready to log in to work, and it was kind of like right after I got my shower, fixed my coffee, and got logged in, maybe 15-20 minutes later, the power went out, which it had started flickering. It's like almost when I got up this morning, the lights were flickering, and I was like, oh my God, we probably gonna lose power. And as soon as I sat down to my desk good and got logged in, the power went out. So the power is still out. It has not come back on yet. And so sometimes, God just say rest, sit. What can you can't do nothing, honey. Sit and rest. Now, this has made me realize one thing, and I told my son this early this morning. I said, I have a lot of camping gear. I do have some things, you know, for emergency purposes. But one thing I have not invested in that I am going to invest in is a solar powered generator. That is on my immediate to do list, and that is something that I am going to invest in, because when your power go out, and now I am thankful I do have gas in my house, so I'm still able to cook, boil water, what have you. However, with the electricity being out, my food is in the refrigerator and the freezers. That food is not going to be any good. I'm going to have to get rid of it, if it, completely defrost. So I'm going to have to cook what I can cook, and then some of it I'm probably not going to be able, it's a loss. But if you have a generator, you can plug it up to the generator and keep it moving. But so that's on my definitely my immediate to do list. I'm gonna get a solar power generator. Gotta have one for the house. I recommend you guys get you one if you don't have one. Um, but other than that, y'all, all is well over here. I'm in Elgin, South Carolina, and for the most part, we're good. Uh, there were a lot of power outages here, and a little bit of flooding and some damages. But I haven't turned on the news recently. I'm trying to save my better. I have a power bank. Trying to let my phone charge up. I do have a small power bank. So I'm trying to savor my charge because I don't have anything to recharge anything because the electricity is not on. So I'm trying to be very careful with how I use my electronics. But all is well. So I just want to let you guys know what was going on here for us, Tropical Storm Helene. I hope you guys are weathering the storm, and I hope that you guys didn't sustain too much damages. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Take care and be blessed. This is the storm, y'all. This is Helen. Getting some pretty high gusts going on out here. Got some things that blew around out there in the garden. I hope everyone is being safe. I thought I'd peek my head out here. This is what we got going on here in South Carolina. The rain has subsided, but we're still getting some pretty high wind gusts. Still very cloudy and overcast right now. Got a tree that blew over there here on the porch. I got to get that cleaned up after everything is kind of moved on. You see my okra out there is leaning pretty good. Hopefully my little baby trees will be okay, and all the rest of the plant babies out there. You guys be safe. I'll check in with you guys later. So I'm about to go outside, y'all, and get the garden kind of straightened up from Helen blowing kind of things around and about out there. But I want to turn the camera around and show you guys my little baby seedlings that has sprouted. Some of them are doing they're all doing good. My onion seedlings are just now starting to sprout. So let me turn the camera around and let you guys see what we got going on here at the grow station. All right, so this is what we got, y'all. This is the watermelon radish. They are getting nice and tall. All the little red Reuben basils have come up. I have one butternut squash that has sprouted, and then back there in the back I have the arugula. My echinacea has not sprouted yet. Look like it may be trying. Look like one is kind of coming up right there. Oh yeah, it is. Got one coming up right there. So it's just now starting to sprout. My little beets over here, they have sprouted. So they're slowly coming out. And then these are my onions down here. So you can see there, got one coming up there. And then back here in the back, got some coming up. One there, they're coming up. So the onions, they are slowly starting to sprout. So that's what we got going on from our seedlings that was planted last weekend. All right, y'all. So I kind of got my stuff picked up over here, and got that plant out the way and got all that glass picked up. So we're gonna head on outside here, let y'all see what is going on out here. So you guys can see it kind of just blew stuff around everywhere. So my little tomato can just know why I pour my rainwater out, y'all. I'm about about to pour it over here in these trees. This water, see, I got all this rainwater, y'all, that I had herbs in. I'm gonna use this to water some of the plants. So I'm actually gonna keep this. I'm not gonna water them now because they got plenty of water during the storm, but I'm gonna keep this and I'm gonna use it to water my plants because it's good rainwater. So I'm gonna get a lid to put on top of here because I want to save it. So I'll save that. And I have rainwater in. I got rainwater in my wheelbarrow here. I'm gonna try to pour some of it in the bucket. I got more water I gotta get off of my blueberry plants over here because they are absolutely full. Y'all look at my little oh boy. The wind just blew. It blew my cucumber plant. It blew it pretty good. It has started flowering though. It's flowering down there. It's flowering. But it blew it pretty good. I kind of want to take some of these dead leaves off of it. Good. My carrots are growing good. My celery's going good. All my greens are looking really good. Let me take some of these little leaves off here. I'm gonna go on ahead and get these eggplants too. Well, I'm gonna leave it open because I'm gonna sprinkle some diatomaceous. Look at those potatoes, y'all. They have really gotten big. I gotta heal them up. So I'm gonna get this eggplant here. This is lemon thyme, y'all. It's lemon thyme. It smells so good. When I tell you the smell, gonna get a little rainwater to water the potatoes that I healed up. So we're gonna get a little bit of this. I'm gonna take it, give the potatoes a little bit of water that we healed up. Get a little bit more. And that is it, y'all. Alright, so I think that's all I'm gonna do out here today. I just kind of wanted to get it cleaned back up. I gotta hang my signs back up on the fence because the wind blew those. The wind blew those down, but I'm not gonna water. Oh wow, y'all, look at my pepper. It really tore it up. So I gotta take these. They'll have to finish ripening in the house. So even look here. It took a pretty good beating from the wind. So some of them I gotta go on ahead and take because they broke, and they'll have to finish ripening. They'll have to finish ripening in the house. Glad I went back over there and checked. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this garden cleanup. It took a little bit of a beating out there, but I think it looks, for the wind that we had, I think it's pretty decent. All my trees look good. just my okra and my peppers. They got blue pretty good. But this is my harvest. So this is what I got for harvest. Got some lemon thyme that smells absolutely amazing. Can't wait to get that cleaned up and dried. Fresh lemon thyme. Got some eggplants I took off. Got some okras and some peppers that I took. These got beat up pretty good. The wind really got those, so I'm gonna have to really hurry up and eat those. Took these off. Got those. And one more. So these will finish ripening in the house. And that is it, y'all. That's what we got. So that's the garden cleanup from Tropical Storm Helene. It was a tropical storm by the time it got to us up here in Zone 8B, Columbia, South Carolina. But thank God I didn't sustain any property damage. My heart goes out to you guys who have. I pray that you guys get everything cleaned up and everything is, you know, pretty much back to normal for you guys as soon as possible. But I'm gonna go in the house and get all this stuff cleaned up, y'all, cool off, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Next video, definitely we will be setting up the green stalk and getting it planted out. So that's the next video. All right, thank you guys for stopping by. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. For all of my current subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and supporting me. Please thumbs up the video. That will put it out there in the algorithm. Like the video, guys, share the video, and leave me your comments. Happy gardening, welcome to fall, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.